Let's take a look at an SHL Numerical Reasoning questions. One of the most prominent question types you will encounter within SHL's Numerical Reasoning will be graphic understanding questions. So here are some examples. Here there is a stacked bar chart titled This Year's Reported Sick Days by Sectors, which illustrates how the percentage of employees reporting sick varies across different industries over the course of a year. The x-axis is labelled this year and is divided into 6 two-month time periods: January to February, March to April, May to June, July to August, September to October, and November to December, showing how sick leave trends change seasonally. The y-axis shows the percentage of employees reporting in sick, ranging from 0% to 70%. Each bar represents the total percentage of sick employees for that time period and is broken down into 5 color-coded sectors: construction, dark blue, IT, blue, civil service orange, financial yellow, and healthcare purple. The chart shows that the civil service sector consistently has the highest percentage of sick reports, about 15% to 18.5%, while the financial sector has the lowest, about 4.5% to 7.2%. Healthcare shows more fluctuation, peaking in May-June, while construction and IT remain relatively stable throughout the year. The question asks when the number of employees reporting sick in the financial and civil service sectors would be equal if the financial sector employs 4 times as many people. Based on the percentages, this occurs when 4.5% the percent of sick leave in finance is multiplied by 4, thus getting 18%, matching the civil service's 18% rate. Making the correct answer is C, July to August. For more insights and practice on all things SHL, get the SHL All-Inclusive Prep Pack. We wish you the best of luck.